Anaximenes, less celebrated than his predecessor Anaximander, yet the final voice in the foundational triad of Milesian thinkers. His exact dates are lost to history, but we know this: he lived before BC, before Persian forces reduced Miletus to ashes. For Anaximenes, the primal element was not water or the infinite, it was air, the breath of all things. He saw all matter as air, differing only by how tightly it was packed: fire, water, earth, even stone, born from air's compression, as the soul holds us together. Anaximenes believed, so does air embrace the world it breathes just as we do. He imagined earth shaped like a flat disk, gently cradled by air, an idea that would echo through ancient thought. Strangely, Anaximenes was admired more than Anaximander in antiquity, though modern eyes might see things differently. His influence reached far, shaping Pythagorean thought and echoing through centuries of speculation. While Pythagoreans embraced a spherical earth, the atomists stood by Anaximenes' flat disk vision. The Milesians are not remembered for perfect answers but for asking the right questions. Miletus, where commerce met curiosity, where Babylonian and Egyptian thought met Greek imagination. Unmoved by Orphic mystery or Dionysian ecstasy, the Milesians turned to observation, not divine command. Their gods were Olympic but lightly regarded. These thinkers sought answers in nature, not in myth. From their rational, scientific seeds, the great tree of philosophy began to grow. After Miletus fell, a new chapter began, more mystical, more religious, yet forever shaped by the spirit of the Milesians.